Hello?
Hello? Who be this?
See boy, na Sarri, your new coach.
Country or club?
For Juventus club.
Wetin happen? Why you dey call?
See, Ororo, I know say na you be the #1 god and I want...
Wait. See, point of correction. I be god of football, no be goat.
Okay, anything where you don't dey call yourself, or waiting them they call you now. I won't tell you say, I don't do this Italy, years before you come. And I sabi as you dey take do things for here. I no want make you come to the try to dey help me do my work, or tell me how I go take do my work, like arrange Abalaga for Chelsea. I just want make you play your ball as god of football, where you be, and make I coach the boys on how to play Sarri ball. If you no like Sarri ball, or you no want play am, you fit just stay for front, my boys go dey pass ball give you to score.
Whether you play Sarri ball or Buga ball, that one no concern me. Wetin I want na make you just do your work well, to take ginger these Juve boys to help me carry Champions League next season.
That one no be problem nah. As long as say you no obstruct my Sarri ball, because with Sarri ball everything is possible.
Coachy, I hear say they call me. Wetin happen?
I hear say na you pursue the last Chelsea coach.
Ah, na lie oh.
Oh, so I dey lie.
No, I say the
That
person.
is, I am a liar now.
No sir, I just
Kneel
say.
down there.
Ah, say as trouble just find person come. Sir, no be wetin I talk now.
Then wetin you talk?
I say the person will tell you that one they lie.
I hear say them dey call you Chelsea coach now. Until say na you dey tell coach wetin to do.
Ah, no be me oh.
Shut up there. As you see me so ba, you see say I young well. All these things wey you do you for head, don't already do me times 10. So if something dey shack you for head, make you no shack you reach my side. Because na beat I will beat you. You hear ba?
Yes sir.
Any day why I talk one thing, you go do another one. Or you follow me talk. If I finish with you that day, you go pack your load go Spain. Ask your mama whether she born you well.
But my mama born me well oh.
What? Wetin you talk?
Nothing sir.
Very good.